Hi, this is William Ramsey. I wanted to make this video about Hillary Clinton's violent coughing fit on September 5th, 2016. She began coughing right at the beginning of her speech in Cleveland, Ohio. Here's the intro.
Happy Labor Day. When we were trying to figure out where we could be, we all said, let's go to Cleveland. And I want to thank Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us. I've been talking so... Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. Boy, we have 63 days to go. Well, thank you. Whoa. Well, you just heard the next vice president, didn't you? In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, I also thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown. Also, excuse me. Also, two other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Beatty. And your mayor, thanks to Mayor Jackson. And I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate. Now, behind me are some of the great labor leaders of our country. Randy Weingarten, Lee Saunders, Rich Trumka. I'm proud to be on the same stage with them because they're always fighting for working families. Now, once I get over my allergic reaction, let me say that we're here in part because we know how important this election is to Ohio. It's not just, as Tim said, that Ohio is one of those battleground states you hear about every 4 years. It's that Ohio represents everything that's great about America and all of the challenges and the opportunities that we face.
Later on the same day, September 5th, 2016, Hillary Clinton retired to her plane to give a press conference where she had to pause the press conference to go cough. Here's the clip.
Around the time Trump became the nominee. And look, he very early on allied himself with Putin's policies. I mean, to pull out of NATO, for goodness sakes, right? And he furthermore has praised Putin. He seems to have this bizarre attraction to dictators, including Putin. He won't tell us where he owes $650 million. There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, get some water.
Yep.
Thank you. Thanks. Excuse me. I'll be right back.
After Hillary Clinton's collapse on September 11th, the public was told she was diagnosed with pneumonia on September 9th. But you can see here clearly on September 5th, she had severe coughing problems. Also, you'll notice that her ever-present security guard, the large African-American man, pops up here in the video. Watch.
Well, Maroon, you're up.
This guy is by the side of Hillary Clinton in her most recent public appearances. I also find it odd that one of Hillary Clinton's court photographers wants to take a picture of the press pool. At some point, Hillary returns and blames her coughing fit on seasonal allergies.
One thing you know from my doctor's letter is I have seasonal allergies. So, yes. And we went back and looked. I had the same problem last Labor Day. I keep thinking that, I'm going to avoid it. But I'm going to go back to your question. Yes.
Getting to a yes, but I'm not sure. Yes, that Trump is trying to give the election.
It's clear from these videos taken on September 5th, 2016, that Hillary Clinton had a persistent cough prior to her supposed diagnosis of pneumonia on September 9th. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In the bottom right-hand corner, there should be a red dot. And share if you like the video. Thank you very much.